Hello, everyone. Just waiting for you guys some members to join in. We'll just wait for 2 minutes for everyone to come in. Just say a quick hi if you've joined in. I can see hi. There are two highs I got. One is from Atanu. Gitanjali is here. Anushka is here. Shalini is here. Amara is here. Hi, Amara. I got a short form BS. Vibhat is here. Hi. Let's wait for 1 more minute and let's wait for some more members to join in. And remember that what we do today, we'll be doing shuffle sentences as you see the share screen tells you. So we will be doing shuffle sentences today. In this, I want you to tell me the word which is not needed, and you need to tell me. You also need to write the sentence. Like they've given you an example. Like they've given you example for the first one. If you look at the example, the best thing, shuffle sentences is a part of CEM, Bexley, but it also came last year in Kent. So you might get this in your 11 plus. So the first sentence there, I'm reading the example for the first one. The example they have given is they wrote words like shaken, the accident, they both, car, left them, very. So you need to make the sentence and you need to tell me the word which is not needed. So the word which is not needed is they, and the sentence is the car accident left them both very shaken. The word does not belong is they. So I think so we should start now. We have members who have joined in. So let's do it. Hi to everyone. Let's start the shuffle sentences today. Try doing number 1 for me. Write the sentence in the brackets, write the word which is not needed. The first one is battlefield there turned the puppies, broming the red vivid. Try writing the sentence and try writing the word which is not needed in the sentence. Hi Josh, that's Preet. Hi Preet. Arshia. Hi. Try doing the first one, all of you. I'm still waiting for you guys to give me the answer for the first one. Then we can move on to the second one. That's easy, the first one. I'll repeat. The sentence number 1 is battlefield, there turned the puppies, broming the red vivid. Hi. Hi, Pankri. Yes, the word is not the word. What you wrote is I need the sentence also. Try trying the sentence. I'll give this one to Kajal. She's giving me the sentence and the word both, which you guys didn't give me. The vapid red broming puppies turned the battlefield, and the word which is not needed is there. Just don't write there. Please write the sentence in the next one. Try doing the next one now. The next one is really easy one. Wept he the burning his chef burnt when pastry. Try doing the second one now. I'll try to make it a little big for you so you'll be able to see it properly. Oh, that was too big. The second one is all of you are doing it right. I'll give that to Gitanjali. She's done that right. The chef wept when he burned his pastry. Naughty chef. How can you burn the pastry? Yes, that's the one. The chef wept when he burned his pastry. So the word which is not needed is burning. So the next one, number 3 is slowly milk fresh churning made butter made by his. Hi Ashmi. Try doing number 3 now. The chef wept when he burned his pastry. Burning is not needed. Yes. Number 3 now. What is not needed in number 3? That's an easy one. Number 3. Number 3 is slowly milk fresh churning made butter made by his. What the word not needed? And what do you need to do for number 3? Butter is, you start with butter. I'll give you a hint. Try doing it now. I've given you guys a hint for number 3. You start with butter for number 3. Oh, I got it. Preeti got the answer for me. Still waiting for some others to give me the answer. Butter is, all of you are getting it right. Butter is made by slowly, what I'm saying, slowly churning fresh milk. The word which is not needed is make. So let's go further down. Try doing the next one. Number 4. Number 4, it is frightened ball into hedgehogs and when curl up. All of you got it right. Try doing the next one. Ashmi, I got your answer. Move on the next one. Go on number 4 now. Frightened ball into hedgehogs and when curl up. Number 4, you don't start with hedgehogs, you start with when. I've given you a hint. Now try doing it. All you are getting it wrong for the number 4. Try doing number 4 again, all of you. It starts with when. And try giving the answer after writing when. Yes, and is not needed, but what is the sentence? None of you are getting the sentence. The sentence starts with, should I give you guys a hint? The sentence starts with when, frightened. I've given you 2 things. Try completing my sentence and tell me the sentence. No. I got the sentence. Well done. Only one person got the sentence and she got a star from me. Not a star, she got a thumbs up from me. Pankri also got it. Pankri, only one thing is wrong in your sentence. You need to write when frightened head hooks curl up into a ball. So the sentence is what all of you are writing is wrong. Only one of you got it right. It's when frightened hedge hooks curl up into a ball. That's the sentence for number. Yes, Tina, you got it right now. Now all of you are getting it right. Ashmi need to try it again because Ashmi didn't get it right. Try doing number 5 now, who have completed number 4. It's by the colors artist painted different was house many. Yes, I must have missed your. Yes, Preet, you got it right. I must have missed your comment if you wrote that. It's fine. Keep going now. Yes, all of you got this one. Try doing number 5 now. Number 5 is by the colors artist painted different was house many. This one is easy. I think all of you will get this one. Well done. All of you getting number 4 right. Try doing number 5 now. Yes, Pooja, you got it right. Pooja, you can carry on doing number 6. Number 5 is, I'm looking. Pankri got it right. 2 people have done it right for me. I won't tell you the answer till I get more channel giving me. Okay, I'll tell the answer for this one now because I got the answer for this. Number 5 is the artist's house was painted many different colors. The artist's house was painted many different colors, and what you don't need is by. Number 6 now. Painting seemed ears, eyes, him, the two falling bee. Yeah, Gitanjali. That's right. Try doing the next one, number 6. Yes, all of you have done right for the artist. You have done this one. Number 5, number 6. Try doing number 6 now. Painting seemed ears, eyes, him, the two falling bee. The painting eyes. Pankri got this one right. Kausar, try doing it. Something is not needed in your sentence. Try doing it again. So the answer for number 6 is, should I wait for more of you to do it? It's basically for number 6 is the painting's eyes seem to be following him. So what you don't need is ears. Ears is not needed in that one. If you have not done number 6, we have given the answer for number 6. Ears is not needed. So the sentence was, the painting's eyes seem to be following him. So the next one now, number 7. Number 7 is, children deep were in was the snow playing. Try doing the next one. Children deep were in was the snow playing. Priyanka, that's not the answer for number 6. He seemed to be following the painting with his eyes. You made your own sentence. Well done. Shilpa got it. The answer for that one, I won't give the answer. Now I'll wait for more to give me the answer. Amara also got the answer. Pooja also got the answer. So lot of you got the answer. So let's give the answer for this one now. Ashmi, it's not my birthday. My birthday is on the 9th. Okay, the sentence for number 7 is, the children were playing in the deep snow. What was not needed was. So let's try doing number 8 now. Let me do it little up so you guys can see number 8. So number 8 is, together life, signet, swans, rise, raise, alone, mate, and for. Ashmi, my birthday is on the 9th of May. You have 2 more weeks to go. So let's do number 8. Give me the answer for number 8. Yes, you take a word out and make the sentence. I'll give you a hint. How does number 8 start with? Number 8 start with swans. SWANS will be your first word in this one. Start with swans and then make the sentence. Let's see who does this one right. Ashmi, I'll remember your birthday. Concentrate on the sheet now. Yeah? No, you. Pankri, try doing it again. The sentence number 8 start with swans. Yes, you don't need is what are you writing? All of you writing what you need don't need is right, but you need to still tell me what the sentence is. I'm just looking if anybody got the sentence right now. None of you got the sentence right. Oh, I got the sentence now. No, I didn't get the sentence. After the swans, yes. Tarun got the sentence right, I think so. Tarun, you got half the sentence right. Try doing it again. Okay, I'll tell you, none of you got the sentence right. So let me give you the sentence. So the sentence for number 9. So for number 9, it is the swans mate for life and race signates together. So that's the one. Okay, guys, let's do it now. Try doing number 9. I've given you the answer for number 8. Number 9 is curtains, little sunlight out, countenance, do to in block. So many blocks here now. My screen has stopped giving messages now. I'm looking at your messages from my phone now. Countenance, do to in block. So many blocks here now. I'm looking at your messages from my phone now. I'll mute my phone so you can't hear it. I can see the messages. Try doing number 9 now. It's number 9. Yes, the number 9 is curtains, little sunlight out. Curtains block. Okay. So you can't hear it. I can see the messages. Try doing number 9 now. It's number 9. Yes, the number 9 is curtains, little. For number 9, yes, you don't need for number 9 you do need curtains. The ones the if you're writing you don't need curtains, that's not the right one. So you do need curtains in that one. If you're writing you don't need curtains, you're not doing it right. You do need, I'm looking who got it right. So the sentence will start with, for number 9, you will start with the person's name. Remember, you always start with the person's name. The person's name is Courtney's curtains do little to block out sunlight. That's the answer, and you don't need in that. So that's, you don't need. Yeah. And who got that right? Kajal got that right. Kajal has got that right. Very good, Kajal. Pooja got that right. Sneha got that one right. Let's try doing the next one now. Number 10. Number 10 is halt full wolf the at bright moon howling. So what do you need for the next one? I won't be able to like your messages because I can't. I'm seeing the messages from my phone. I'm not seeing on the computer. So it'll take a while for me. Maybe after this live, I can come back and reply to all your messages. So what do you don't need in the next one? Number 10. Try doing what you don't need for number 10. You have done 10. The wolf howled at the full bright moon. You did not need howling. Well done. Let's go on the next one. And the answers will come now, and after that, the next one will come. These are little harder than the ones you did. In this one, again, you need to do the same thing. The word does not belong. You need to try doing the same way. Try doing number 1 again in this one. Let's see if for number 1 for this one. The first one is Frankenstein 20 published Mary Shelley's She Age When Was. Try doing the next one now. How many questions left? We'll do one more set of these. These are easy ones. All of you should be doing them really easy because the way we are doing, it's taking us ages. I got the answer from Anshul. Let's see if Anshul's answer is right. You don't try doing it again. Age is not needed according to her. Let's see. Yes, you don't need age in that. So the answer for the first one, I'm looking, only one person got the answer for that. You can't see, the number 1 is here. It's already here. Yes, age is not needed. Ashmi, well done. Is mine right? Yes, Pooja, it's right. Guys, stop giving angry faces to each other. Ashmi, poor Ashmi got an angry face by someone. I don't know who has given her an angry face. And a lot of people are giving me also angry face. So what you don't need, let's do number one together. Mary Shelley's Frankenstein was published when she was 20. So what you don't need is age. Try doing the next one. House, homes, cluttered, hodred, hodrers was extremely the and dirty. Try doing number two now. It's house, homes, cluttered, hoarders was extremely the and dirty. What's not needed in number two now? I can tell you the hint when you need to start with the. You need to start with the for this one and try doing after doing that. Homes is not needed according to one. Yes, home is not needed. But what's my sentence? No, Pankaj is still going on. Gitanjali got the right answer. The hoarder's horse was extremely dirty and cluttered. Home is not needed. Well done. The next one, black clothing item he everywhere of owned was. Try doing this one now. Black clothing item he everywhere of owned was. Try doing number three now. Black clothing item he everywhere of owned was. Carry over number three. I'm still waiting for some answers for number three. You start with every in this one. You need help. You start with every in this one. Start with every and then try doing it. So you start doing it with every and after every you need clothing. And then, no, sorry, after every you need item, not clothing. After every, try doing item. What type of item they're talking about? Item of clothing. I've given you the hint. Every item of clothing he owned was black. That's the answer for number three. Try doing number five now. Drenched she was, sweat ran she in until tired. Oh, sorry, we forgot to do number four. Number four is Devil. Robert Johnson spent allegedly him his two sold the. Number 4. So you start, always remember when you have a name given, always try starting with that name and try doing it. Number 4, start with Robert. Start with Robert and then try making the sentence. Were is unwanted. No. In number 4, that's not the one. Try doing it. Robert allegedly sold his soul to the devil. No. The answer for number 4 is, all of you are getting it right now. Robert Johnson allegedly sold his soul to the devil. That's the answer for that. What you don't need in number 4 is spend. Try doing the next one now. Number 5. It's drenched she was sweat ran she in until tired. Yes, move on to the next one now. Well done. All of you are getting it right. Try doing number 5 now for me, all of you. Write the answer for number 5. Let's see who gets it right. It's drenched she was, sweat ran she in until tired. You start with she, and I think one of you got it right. Amrita got this one right. Number 5, Amrita got it right. Ashmi got it right. She ran until she was drenched in sweat. So the word what you don't need is tired. Try doing number 6 now. Kilimanjaro is mountain the Asia in highest Mount Africa. So what you don't need for that one now? Manish got it right. Manish can try number 7 now. Till the others. Tina got this one right. So it is what you guys are giving for number 6. The answer for number 6 is mountain Kilimanjaro is the highest mountain in Africa. What you don't need is Asia. Try doing number 7. Largest USA is Washington, the New York, the in city. So what you don't need in that one, and what are you writing for that one? Try doing the next one now. Yes, all of you got it right. Try doing the next one now. Largest USA is Washington, the New York, the in city. Remember, again, try starting with if a country's name is given or anything else, try putting that first and try doing it, because in these you need to try doing it that, and you won't be getting so much time as you're taking today. You will be given around 20 questions of things like shuffle sentences to be done in 5, 6, 8 minutes. So all of you are taking long time to do it. Ashmi, that's right. Gitanjali got, I think so. Gitanjali got the number 9, number not 9, sorry, number 7, right? So New York is the largest city in the USA. So you don't need is Washington. So let's move on with this one. Try doing number 8 now. Number 11, fifth is prime the 7. After finishing these 10, I'll have a quiz of 10. Who does it first? That 1, 2, 3, 4. I will announce their names and the rest will move on the next one. In this, we can say how you guys are quick, because we need to be really quick in doing these. We cannot be slow in that. Try doing number 8 now. Number 11, fifth is prime the 7. Eleven. Start doing it with the. You don't start with, all of you are starting with 7. That's wrong. You don't start with 7. 7, you don't need. In this sentence, you don't need 7. So try starting the sentence with the in this one. 11 is the 5th prime number. That's not the answer. All of you are copying each other to writing the answers. Try starting it with the. I got one right answer. The 5th prime number is 11. No, the sentence is the 5th. The sentence for this one was the 5th prime number is 11. So what you don't need is 7. Try doing number 9 now. Discrossed is aesthetic huge when was dog his hit he. Discrossed. Try doing number 9 now. Discrossed is aesthetic huge when was dog his lost he. Try doing number 9 now. For number 9, you start the word with huge. It's not huge, sorry. H-U-G-H. You start the word with that one. All of you are doing it wrong. The answer for number 9 is H-U-G-H. Huge was disgrossed when he lost his dog. Disgrossed basically means upset when he lost his dog. So the word which you don't need is the one with E. E-C-S-T-A-T-I-C. Aesthetic. So you don't need that word. So try number 10 now. Spread mosquito nets. The to malaria support help of the what? Try doing the last one now. The last one, you start with mosquitoes net. I've given you the hint. Yes, Amara and Ashmi got it right. The last one on this page is mosquito nets help to the swat the spread of malaria. What you don't need is support. Now this will be first come first basis. Who gives me the first answer will get for that one. And after this live, I'll give you a star. I'll give you a thumbs up. So try doing the first one. Let's see who does it now. It goes, the first one will go according to this one will go for the first person who does it. Writing sisters, the novels, brothers for our famous Bronte. Who does this one? Who does this one first? I'll tell your name. And then we'll carry on the next one. So we need to be quick in this one. We'll do the same way. Like you guys do it in your 11 plus. Try doing the first one for me fast. We only have 5 more to go, Amara, then we'll be done. You don't get me. I'm saying I will only name the person who does write the right answer for me. Let me see. This one is funny. I think so. The first one goes to ANUBHUTIE. She's done it right. You don't write the brother and sisters. The answer for the first one is the Bronte sisters are famous for writing novels. What you don't need is brothers. So this one is done by 2 of the members here. So you don't need brothers. Pooja got that right, and ANUBHUTI got it right. Let's go on the next one now. The next one is names was Emily, Charlotte, Annie, and the were sisters. Let's see who gets this one right. Okay, Ashmi, that was you. But you wrote brothers, I think so. None of you are getting number 2 right. Okay, let's see who does number 2 first. Amrita, I think so. Preet got number 2 right. She's given me the answer. The sisters' names were Emily, Charlotte, and Anne. That one goes to Preet. Try doing number 3 now. Names pretended be published to their get two books, they, men, ladies. Let's see who get this one right. Let's wait who gets number 3. Try doing number 3 now. Let's see who does. None of you getting number 3 right now. I'm waiting for the right answer for number 3. Who does number 3 right? I will tell you the names. Gitanjali got number 3 right. Well done. The men pretended to be ladies to get. It's the other way around, Gitanjali. They pretended to be men to get their books published. Till now, none of you got it right. So I won't give that one to anyone. And the answer, what you don't need is ladies for that one. Try doing number 4 now. Consumers in have movement, not authors, did 1840s the credibility. Let's see who does that one right now. Number 4. Try doing number 4 now. No, none of you are getting that one right. I'm waiting for. You will start with in for that one. No, Pooja, it's not right. Keep going. Tina also didn't get it right. I'm waiting for the right answer to give you a thumbs up afterwards if you get it right. No, Ashmi, you don't need. Ashmi is also not right. Let's see who gets it right. None of you are getting this one right. Amara, you are half right. Complete your sentence, then you'll get it. Ashmi is also half right. The answer for none of you got that right, I think so. None of you got it right. I'll tell you the answer for this one. The answer for number 4 is in the 1840s, movement authors did not have credibility. So try doing the next one now. Let's move it up. Try doing number 5 now. Number 5 is today's of literary closed is to market authors open genders either. Let's see who gets that one right first. I know this is hard. That's why I kept this one for the end. Minakshi, let me check yours. I think so your one is right. I'll just confirm in a minute. Minakshi got this one right. Number 5, Minakshi got it right. The answer is today's literacy market is open to authors of either gender. That one is gone. Try doing number 6 now. Largest China, the Russia any has country of population. Let's see who gets that one right. We are done that one. Try doing number 6. Waiting for Ashmi. Got that one right. Well done. Ashmi, number 6 is gone to Ashmi. She got it right. China has the largest population of any country. That's gone to Ashmi. Ashmi got that one right. Now try doing number 7. Let's see who does number 7. Sent Armada in an attack to Spain and Britain, 1588. Ashmi, you got it right. Try doing the next one. Let's see who gets number 7 right. Shri Raj got this one. Shri Raj, we have done that one. Pankri got this one. Spain sent an armada to attack Britain in 1588. That one goes to Pankri. Number 7 is gone to Pankri now. Number 8. Let's see who does number 8 fast. Number 8 is Armada after Sir Francis Drake, the one finishing his game defeated balls. Let's see who does number 8. Try doing number 8 now. We are almost done. Let's see who gets number 8. We got 2, 3 left. I'm still waiting for number 8. Then we have 2 left. Let's see who gets that one. You need to be really fast in doing this, all of you. Don't take so much time. Now, no, Ashmi, that's not right. Finishing game. What game? What game were they playing? You do need balls. Ball is needed. The word in number 8 was not needed Should I tell you what you don't need? You do need ball. Banish, you do need ball. Yes, Minakshi got that right. That will go to Minakshi. Sir, whatever name was, won the Armada after finishing his bowling game. Sir defeated the Armada after finishing his bowling game. That's for number 8 is gone now. Try doing number 9. Let's see who takes number 9 now. Number 9 is we percent score when say we are 100%. Let's see who gets number 9. No. All of you getting number 9 wrong. Let's see who gets number 9 right. I need these people to remove the angry faces. It's Preeti, Priyanka, and one more person. Before you leave the chat, just remove all your angry faces. When we say score, we are saying 100%? No. When we sing, gone, number 9 is gone. When we say percent, we are saying per 100. Minakshi again get it. And Aparna got half wrong. So it's gone now. Number 10 now. Let's see who gets number 10 right. Number 10 is 160. 160% is of 16. 800, 128. Let's see who gets this one right now. No, Ashmi, that's not the answer. Try doing it again. I got the answer for the last one also. Susanna got it right. 16% of 800 is 128. So that one is gone to her. Well done to you all. Ashmi, that's gone. The answer for that one is 16%. I'll show you the answers for this one because all of you were struggling in this. So that's the answers. Maybe you can, I'll put this so all of you can try doing it after this live. You can try doing it yourself, but try doing it fast because you were not doing it fast. You were doing it slow, all of you. So at least all of you did well. Well done. Let us know what you want for next week. We are off for this week now. We'll be seeing you guys again on Monday. Let us know what you want for next week or Monday, or if you want, we can do one session, not on the Facebook. We can do one on YouTube tomorrow. If you guys want, if you are interested, then we can do it. Otherwise, we will. Oh, somebody's writing comprehension. Bye, guys. I'll see you on Monday now. Have a lovely weekend. And bye for now.